Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool filter part #W10169961A. The Whirlpool filter part #W10169961A is a refrigerator water filter that is designed to reduce chlorine taste and odor, as well as sediment from your drinking water. It also helps to reduce lead, cysts, and other contaminants. This filter is compatible with select Whirlpool, KitchenAid, and Maytag refrigerators. It should be replaced every 6 months or when the change filter light comes on. The filter is easy to install and requires no tools. It fits in the base grill of the refrigerator and should be replaced every 6 months for optimal performance. This part fixes the following symptoms. This filter is designed to reduce chlorine taste and odor, sediment, rust, and other contaminants from your water. It also helps to improve the overall taste of your water. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by turning off the water supply to the refrigerator. 2. Locate the filter housing and unscrew the cap. 3. Remove the old filter and discard it properly. 4. Take out the new filter and remove any packaging or protective covering from it. 5. Insert the new filter into the housing, making sure that it is firmly seated in place. 6. Replace the cap and tighten it securely with a wrench or pliers if necessary. 7. Turn on the water supply to the refrigerator and check for any leaks around the filter housing or connections before closing up any. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.